Google just quietly added one button to a free tool that used to be the reason most people never finish building anything. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this might be the update that actually matters more than half the AI news you've seen this month. It's live right now, it's completely free, and almost nobody's talking about it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news. So you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, so let's get into it. Google AI Studio is that free tool where you type out what you want and it builds you a working app or a website right there in your browser using Gemini. No coding, none of that. You just describe your idea like you're talking to a person and it puts the thing together for you. And look, that part has been solid for a while now. If you wanted an app built, Google's had you covered. The problem was never the building. The problem was what happened after the building. You'd get your app working, and then you'd sit there staring at it thinking this looks kind of rough, so you try to fix it with words, make it feel more premium, make it pop more. Give it more of a modern edge. And half the time, the AI would take a swing and completely miss what you meant. Because, let's be honest, explaining a vibe in a text box is genuinely hard. Even people who are good with words struggle to describe a look. You end up going back and forth 10, 15 times and you're still not happy with what came out. So here's what Google just dropped. It's called Design Variations and it flips that entire problem on its head. Instead of you trying to describe the perfect look, you just press one button and Google generates a whole set of completely different designs for your app in one shot. Different color schemes, different layouts, different moods, all sitting in front of you at the same time. You go through them like you're flipping through options on a rack. One's minimal. One's bold, one's got that clean SaaS feel, one might feel more playful, one might feel more corporate. You pick the one that hits, you click it, and your entire app just becomes that design. Instantly. No back and forth. No 20-minute prompt trying to explain what modern but not too corporate means. The thing that used to eat your whole weekend now takes you about 10 seconds. Now, here's where I want you to actually stop and think about this for a second, because I think most people are going to scroll past this news and not realize what just happened. For the longest time, there were two walls stopping a normal person from building something that looked legit. Wall 1, you had to know how to code. Wall 2, even if the AI could code it for you, you still needed an eye for design to make it not look like it was built in 2009. Google just took a sledgehammer to both walls in the same tool on the same afternoon for free. Think about what that means. A person with zero design background can now put out something that looks like it came from a real agency. And I'm telling you, that matters more than people give it credit for, because people judge things instantly. Before anyone reads a single word on your page, they've already decided in their head whether it looks trustworthy or whether it looks thrown together. A clean design keeps someone on the page. A messy one, they're gone in 2 seconds. So being able to test 5 different professional looking versions of your app in under a minute instead of spending your whole weekend on it, that's a real shift. That's the kind of thing that used to cost people real money, hiring a designer, waiting days for revisions, and now it's a button. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, I want to give you a few things to actually keep in mind here, because there is a smart way to use this and there is a lazy way, and most people are going to do the lazy way. First thing, don't hit this button on an empty screen. Build out your app first, get the actual structure and the main pieces in place, then run design variations. If you hit it too early with nothing built, the results come back weak, because the tool needs something to actually work with. Second thing, don't just grab whichever one looks the flashiest at first glance. Actually sit with the options for a minute. Sometimes the plain simple looking one is the one that actually works better for real users, even if it's not the one that looks the most impressive on first look. The shiniest option isn't always the smartest choice. Third thing, and this is the one people mess up the most, you are not locked into your first batch. If none of them feel right, hit the button again and get a fresh set. Most people give up after round 1, and honestly the best results usually show up on round 2 or 3. Give it a couple of tries before you settle. And fourth, think about who's actually going to use whatever you're building. A simple sign-up page should feel fast and light. Something packed with information should feel organized and calm. So before you lock in a design, ask yourself what the person landing on this page is actually trying to do and pick the look that fits that job, not just the one you personally like the most. And one more thing worth knowing, this isn't the only design tool sitting inside AI Studio. You can also draw directly on top of your app in the preview and tell it exactly what you want changed in that spot. So the smart move is to use design variations to lock in a strong overall look fast, and then go back in and then hand tweak the small details after. But here's the part I really want you to walk away with. We are officially at the point where building the thing is basically solved. The AI can put the whole app together for you without you touching a single line of code. So the actual skill that separates people now isn't coding anymore, and it's barely even design anymore either. It's taste, it's knowing what looks clean, what feels trustworthy, what actually makes someone want to stick around on a page instead of clicking off it. Design Variations hands you a stack of solid options in seconds, but you're still the one picking. That decision is still on you. And here's the thing, the more reps you get making that call, the sharper your eye gets, and that skill compounds over time the more you use it. A year ago, if you couldn't code and you had no eye for design, building something that looked professional was basically off the table for you. That excuse is gone now. Google just knocked it out in one update. And features like this are dropping out of Google practically every single week right now, which means the gap between people who are actually using these tools and people who are just watching videos about them is only getting wider from here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.